Hi guys, today I have a product that I want to review for you all. So this was sent to me from the guys at Samxic. It's a soothing sleep penguin. So let me take him out of the box so you guys can see. Now I like this item because this is perfect for all of the new moms or the baby mamas out there. This is going to be a lifesaver for you. So this penguin comes with 3 AA batteries and just a little manual telling you the product features and how to operate it. So let's test this out and let's see how it works. So first we need to put in the 3 AA batteries. So to put in the battery, you have to remove this hard plastic from the front. And the great thing about this is because this detaches, this is machine or hand washable, and it's really soft and really cuddly. And then just place back the cover and secure it into place. Now this has to go back into the penguin, so all you have to do is take this and fit it back into the penguin, into that opening. Okay, so now to talk about some of the features of this before we actually use it. So this projects colorful starlight and moonlight. You see those little indentations. It plays 12 soothing sounds. It auto turns off in 30, 60 or 90 minutes. It also attaches to your crib, your playpen, your car seat or even your stroller. And it's hand washable or machine washable on a very delicate cycle. So now to use this, we're going to start by pressing the power button. So guys, can you hear that noise? That's white noise, and white noise is the noise that your baby is hearing while he or she is inside of your womb. Now when they're born, you'll notice that they tend to always be like this, and you swaddle them and keep them like that because that makes them think that they're still protected in the womb, and they love hearing these noises, these white noises. It's so important for them to keep them calm and keep them contained because they will take a while before they learn to transition. So you hear that? The sound has changed. So the sounds, the white noise does change because remember we have movement with liquid and stuff in our womb. So that's what a baby loves to hear. So let's check out some of the other features. So we have a light here. So guys, look here on the counter. Now because the room is pretty bright, you're not going to see it as much, but if you watch the counter, you see the moon and you see the stars, and in a really dark room it's going to light up even more. So let's check out some of the other features again. So this also, you can play it on a loop if you wanted to by pressing this loop button, and it will play that one sound over and over. With the plus button you can increase the sound. Can you guys hear that sound? It's the heartbeat, and it's the heartbeat that the baby is gonna hear when he or she is inside of your womb. You hear, he or she hears your heartbeat. Hence the reason why these sounds are very important for newborn. And you would use the minus button or the lower button to decrease the level of the sound. Now here we have the light, which you can take it off and then you can put it back on. You can switch to a different noise or different sound, and you can set it for 30, 60 or 90 seconds. So guys, so that's a lullaby that's being played. Now guys, when your baby comes home, you're gonna wanna play that white noise, and they can hear sound up to 80 to 90 decibels, and you're going to swaddle your baby until he or she is 3 months old. You have to keep them swaddled until 3 months. And if you're using a baby carrier, always make sure that their legs are tucked up like a froggy position, you don't drop their legs until after that 3 months. So those are just some tips that I wanted to give you guys. So guys, this is the perfect gift for your baby. The lullabies, trust me, the lullabies really helped my son, and all of those noises really helped keep him calm and keep him collective when he came home. So I really recommend, if you're a new parent, get one of this. It really helps and I highly recommend it. And I'm not going to tell you guys get something if you don't need it, but this you do need. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me your comments down below. If you have any tips for any new moms, please leave them down below. So I love reading all of the comments from experienced parents. So please feel free to leave your comments for the new parents. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Samxic for sending this beautiful penguin. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.